Every solar sales company is looking for the ideal solar customer. While lead generation is always a numbers game, to make it work, the key is targeting your best groups of homeowners and reaching them in as many ways as you can. So, let's review the top prospects for solar power sales. Large households typically use a significant amount of electricity. Installing solar panels can help offset a substantial portion of their energy costs. We can target in on large households, they are likely big energy users. So are homeowners with swimming pools. And we can qualify them by modeled credit score. Think of these homeowners as savers and independents. By generating their own electricity, homeowners can reduce or eliminate their reliance on the grid, leading to substantial savings on utility bills over time. Some regions offer attractive solar incentives, such as tax credits, rebates, or net metering programs. Homeowners in these areas can take advantage of these incentives to make solar panel installations even more financially appealing. Not only that, but the Federal Solar Investment Tax Credit, now known as the Residential Clean Energy Credit, runs through 2034 and offers a tax credit valued at 30% of the total cost of a solar system. That means every homeowner has some financial incentive. Homeowners who are planning to stay in their homes for a long time can benefit from solar panels' long-term cost savings. The return on investment of solar installations typically increases over time, making them particularly attractive to homeowners who plan to remain in their properties for many years. New homeowners are an excellent group for solar roof panel offers. These are individuals who prioritize renewable energy sources and are committed to reducing their carbon footprint, often embrace solar panels. They value sustainability and are willing to invest in clean energy solutions. We call them green homeowners. The list professionals at Dataman Group Direct will create the perfect list for your market. We have lists for direct mail, telemarketing, and email marketing. If you're looking for scrubbed cell phone lists, we can help you. Call us at 800-771-3282.